Got my girl chillin' with me, only one in my world, only one grab my knob, only one do her job, only one that grab my knob, only one that do her job. She grab my knob, she really starts sucking, laying on my chest while I'm laying on the bed like wasn't nothing. She tried to look up, her phone started ringing and put her head back on my chest. Lips up till my hair start ringing, if my nose and my ears start twinkling, if my toes start buckling, bitch you doing something. But if you stopping, bitch you ain't doing nothing. You don't get paid, your ass get kicked out. Really don't give a damn, bitch. Close your mouth, do your damn job, and really do it good. Remember Mr. Rakeem stole the pimp in the hood. Doing her job, she do it real good. She like to slob, she doing her job. She like to slob, she doing her job. My girl like to slob, she doing her job. My girl like to slob, she get $100 off her motherfucking blow job. My girl do her job when she's walking down the road. Hundreds and fifties, she can't even unload. She had to bring it to daddy, put it home in a safe. Everybody know what's up with me. You always know you can never catch a case, cause I got a mask on my face. Stab your ass up so my time your life get erased. Fucking with the best, who me? Put bullets in your chest, who me? No nigga, putting axes in your chest, machetes. Fuck with Mr. Rakeem, put you to sleep next to Freddy. He'll kill you dead. Mr. Rakeem always putting shit inside your head. Back to my girl, cause she doing her job. I was doing my job cause I hustle and mob. She doing her job cause she like to slob. She do it real good when she's in the hood. So far I'm always clocking my motherfucking cash. If you don't believe me, you can come see my ass. I hold up the crown, I'm chilling with my girl. She's the only one chilling in my damn world. She doing her job, she do it real good. She slobbing it real good, she slobbing it real good. I'm doing my job, I'm hustling and mob. I'm doing my job, I hustle and mob. I'm chilling with my girl, she's doing her job. All day long, she like to slob on my knob. Yeah.